Okay, now we're going to learn how to tell time with half hour. So a half hour is we split the clock right in half, and it's any time the minute hand is pointing to the 6. Okay, the 6 equals 30 minutes. So I'm going to get a little ahead of myself and tell you guys how to count the minutes on a clock. So each number we count by 5. So I told you the 12 was 0. We go 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes. And if you keep going, we would get all the way to 60 minutes, which is 1 hour. So anytime the minute hand is right on the 6, it means 30 minutes, which is a half hour, or you can say half past. So if you notice, the hour hand is in the middle of the 2 and the 3. Okay, so when the minute hand moves, when it goes all the way around, this hour hand is going to move just a little bit every time. So that the minute hand has moved halfway around the clock. So the hour hand has also moved halfway between 2 and 3. So this means that it is 2:30. So when the hour hand is in the middle of two numbers, we're gonna put it with the smaller number. We're gonna move it up. So it's 2:30. Okay, and then on my digital clock, what you might see on your phone screen, also gonna say 2:30. Okay, so now let's say Billy goes to basketball practice at 2:30. And his basketball practice lasts 3 hours long, so what time will he get home? Well, we're going to start by counting the hours. So he left at 2:30, 3 hours later. 3:30, 4:30, 5:30. So I counted up 3. My minutes did not change. The only thing that changed was my hour. So now I have to show 5:30 on my clock. So I'm going to move the hour hand. And if it's 5:30, it needs to be in between the 5 and the 6. And anytime it's 30, it points right to the 6. So now our clock shows 5:30. Remember, if the hour hand is in the middle of two numbers, we put it with the smaller number. So it is 5:30, and I have to change my digital clock to match. So our hour hand is pointing to 5, our minute hand is pointing to 30. Okay, and we also say half past. So it is 5:30. So we have the minute hand has moved halfway around the clock. 5:30.